Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove add to cart buttons on Squarespace. This is particularly useful if you're transitioning your store to catalog mode, displaying products without selling them directly, or simply want to customize your product pages to fit your business needs better. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to remove the Add to Cart buttons. This will open up the main editing interface for that specific site, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now look over to the left side of your screen and click on Website. This is where all your site structure and content settings live. Under the website option, you'll see several choices, but for this task, click on Pages. This section shows you all the pages on your site, making it easy to locate exactly where you need to make changes. Browse through your pages to find the one where you want to remove the Add to Cart buttons. This could be a product page, a shop page, or any other page where these buttons appear. Once you've found the right page, click on it to proceed. Here's where it gets interesting because you actually have two different options for removing the Add to Cart button. The first method is straightforward and doesn't require any coding. Click Edit to enter the page editor. Once you're in editing mode, find the section that contains the Add to Cart button and click Edit section. You'll see various options for that section, and among them you'll find a toggle or checkbox for the Add to Cart button. Simply disable the Add to Cart button option and then click Save. This will immediately remove the button from that section without affecting any other elements on your page. Now, the second option involves using custom CSS code, which gives you more control and can be applied site-wide if needed. To do this, exit out of the editing mode by clicking the back arrow or the X button. Once you're back to the main navigation, look on the left side again and find Custom Code. Click on it, and underneath that option, you'll see Custom CSS. Click on Custom CSS to open the code editor. This is where you'll paste the custom CSS code that removes the Add to Cart buttons. I'll provide the code on screen now, so feel free to pause the video and copy it exactly as shown. The code typically targets the Add to Cart button element and hides it across your site or on specific pages, depending on how you configure it. After you've input the code into the CSS editor, just click Save. Your changes will be applied immediately and the Add to Cart buttons will no longer appear on your Squarespace site. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Add to Cart buttons from your Squarespace website using either the built-in page editor or custom CSS. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.